Now, let's be real for a second. In Ghana, when you tell someone you are an artist, the first thing they ask, oh, so can you draw my portrait for me? Or can you draw me? Or can you draw me for free? Or what's your real job? But wait, look around you. The clothes you are wearing, the apps on your phone, the billboard at Circle, and even the kente patterns we wear for our weddings. Those aren't just for fun. They are created by professionals. Today, we are breaking the myth. Art is not just a side hustle. It is a career as serious as law, medicine, or even engineering. So let's dive into the concept of professional practice in art. Welcome back. Session 3, Lesson 1. I also have examination questions in the description box. Click on the link and I'll give you access to the questions. Now, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain what a profession means, describe who a professional is, explain professional practice in art and design, and mention real art careers in Ghana. A profession is not just any job. A profession is a work that requires special training, requires knowledge and skills, follows ethical rules, and it's actually down to earn a living. Example, doctors study medicine, teachers study education, and so on and so forth. In the same way, artists study graphic design, fashion designing, sculpture, ceramics, textiles, jewelry, etc. So art is not different from other professions. In Ghana, if someone wants to become a professional fashion designer, they may have to attend a fashion school or probably do apprenticeship, learn pattern cutting, learn customer service. So these are professional training. And so who is a professional? A professional is not just someone with talent. Of course, a lot of people have talent, but they are not professionals. So a professional has skill, training, experience, discipline, and ethical behavior. So let's explain this clearly. So skill means that you actually know how to do the work. Training also means that you have to learn properly. Experience also means that you have to practice over time. And then discipline, you have to meet deadlines. And then of course ethics. In fact, you don't copy someone's designs and claims it's yours. This is very important. If a graphic designer copies someone's logo from Google and then give it to a client, that obviously is not professional. In fact, you have to create the design yourself, use the software to create the design yourself, and then you can submit to the client. That's only when you are what? A professional. So professional artists respect copyrights. Now let's look at professional practice in art and design. Professional practice in arts means using your artistic skills responsibly to serve society and also earn income. And this involves designing for clients, producing artwork for sale, managing time, setting fair prices. In fact, some charges are too much. So you have to set fair prices based on your skills and experience. And also give good customer relationship. Follow legal rules. For example, a photographer, you have to book clients, sign agreements, deliver photos on time, charge properly. That is a professional practice. Art and design as a profession. Art and design is a profession because artists receive training, offer services, solve visual problems, earn income. For example, a church needs a banner, a business needs a logo. Of course, a business that's a logo, there's no identity. And even a school needs a mural. So artists solve all these problems. Summary. Remember, talent is the fuel, but professionalism is the engine that gets you into the finish line. Art is a business, it's a science, and it's a respectable career. So today we've learned something very important. Art is not just drawing, art is not just painting, art is not just talent. It is a profession. With training, discipline, and responsibility, your creativity can become your career. In Ghana today, many successful people started where you are now. Take your art education very seriously. It can change your future. Look at Ibrahim Mahama, look at Abladi Grover. These are all professional artists and they are making a good living out of it. So art can change your future. Now this is your task. Look around your neighborhood. Find one Ghanaian professional artist, write his or her name, what they do, and explain one problem they solve with their art. So if you're an SHS student, make sure you subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your colleagues and teachers. So today we are going to learn how to draw the side view of the human head. So we start by drawing a circle as usual. And then we draw a straight line here. On the edge of the circle. And then we draw another horizontal line this way. We draw another vertical line dividing the circle into two. We'll make sure it joins this particular line. Next thing is that I'm going to draw the eye line from here. And then the nose line also from there. So we start from here, drawing the shape of the face. Then the nose goes this way, from here to there. And then the ears also falls there. So I said the ears falls between the eyebrow and the tip of the nose. Now you're going to draw the mouth area from there. So this is actually how to draw the side view of the human head. So make sure you pause the video and repeat the video so many times so that you can actually know how to draw the side view of the human head. So make sure you subscribe, share. I'm your online art and design studio teacher. I'm Appah, and I'm out.